power, speed, and comfort. Gear shift, everything about cars. Welcome to all car lovers. In today's video, we're taking a look at what do you prefer. One of these actually surprised me. Today, we find out together which one is truly better. Let's dive in. Number 4, Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta, $17 million. In fourth place is the Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta, valued at roughly $17 million. Built in extremely limited numbers, this Italian masterpiece showcases Pagani's obsession with craftsmanship, lightweight materials, and artistic engineering. Number 2, Rolls-Royce Boattail, $28 million. In second place, we have another Rolls-Royce icon, the Boattail, priced at approximately $28 million. Inspired by luxury yachts, this car includes unique features such as a built-in hosting suite, a refrigerator, and handcrafted accessories designed for ultimate luxury. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.